Are you curious about the world of AI? Have you ever wondered how to access powerful tools without spending a dime? Today, we're uncovering the best free AI resources that you might be missing. AI is transforming our lives in countless ways. From healthcare to entertainment, AI's potential is immense. Yet, many believe it's only for professionals or those with deep pockets. This misconception stops casual users from exploring AI's benefits. The exciting truth is that numerous free AI resources exist. These tools enable beginners to harness AI's power without cost. Let's dive into some standout options that can elevate your work. First, consider content creation tools. These platforms help you generate engaging articles, social media posts, and even books. They utilize natural language processing and machine learning algorithms. This means anyone can produce high-quality content swiftly and easily. Next, we have data analysis and visualization tools. These platforms allow you to clean, filter, and visualize data effectively. You can upload your data and create interactive dashboards. This feature lets users gain valuable insights without needing advanced technical skills. Art generation is another exciting area in free AI resources. Tools powered by generative adversarial networks allow you to create stunning artwork. Users can select parameters and generate distinctive pieces. This is perfect for artists and hobbyists alike wanting to experiment with creativity. Let's also talk about productivity enhancement tools. These innovative resources automate repetitive tasks. They help manage time better and can even spark new ideas. This can lead to more efficient workflows and improved creativity. In summary, free AI resources are abundant and accessible. From content creation to data analysis, art generation, and productivity, there's something for everyone. You can explore and utilize these tools for your personal or professional projects. What's your favorite AI resource? Share it in the comments below. Don't forget to check out another video where I dive deeper into one of these innovative tools. Together, let's embrace the power of AI.